Hello everyone, in this video lecture we'll learn on multi-stage graphs. Let us briefly understand about multi-stage graph. Multi-stage graph is a directed graph in which the vertices are partitioned into k greater than equal to 2 distances vi, where I ranging from 1 to k. So that means here k are the stages that are present in the multi-stage graph. So if you consider this multi-stage graph, here there are 5 stages, and in each stage we have certain vertices. So in the first stage there is only one vertex called 1, which are put into V1 vertex set. In the second stage we have 4 vertex, so 2, 3, 5 are put into V2 set. And in the third stage we have 6, 7, 8 vertex, and that are put into V3. In the fourth stage we have 9, 10 and 11 vertex, so that are put into V4. And finally in V5 stage we 12 we have, so that is put into V5. And remember, S is the source and T is the sink node or destination node. Our aim in this problem, multi-stage graph problem, is to find the minimum cost path from the source to destination. That means from S to T. Cost of a path from S to T is the sum of the costs of the edges on the path. So each edge cost is represented as C of ij. Cost edge is represented as C of ij. And how do we solve multi-stage graph problem? There are two approaches to solve multi-stage graph problem. One is forward approach, another one is backward approach. In this video lecture, we'll understand the example on forward approach. Let us see how to apply forward approach to find the cost of the path on multi-stage graph problem. Cost of I, j can be determined as minimum of C of j, L plus cost of I plus 1, L. What is C of j, L? That is nothing but a edge weight. Cost of I plus 1, L. Nothing but the minimum cost from the next stage to L. So where I is the stage number and j is the vertices available at particular stage and L is the vertices available at next stage. And remember, cost of k minus 1, j equal to C of j, t, nothing but C of j, t is nothing but edge weight at j, t edge. So cost of k minus 1, j can be equal to infinity if j, t is not a part of an edge. Now we'll apply forward approach formula on the multi-stage graph. So this multi-stage graph contains 5 stages. Now we'll apply the formula. So first find cost of k minus 2, j, which is equal to cost of 3, j. What is 3? The stage number. What is j? The vertices at the stage number 3, 6, 7, 8. Now find cost of 3, 6. Cost of 3, 6 equal to minimum of C of 6, L value you have to apply here. So how do I get L value? You check which are the nodes connected in the next stage to 6. 6 is connected to 9 and 10 from the next stage. So 6 is connected to 9 and 10 from the next stage. So C of 6, 9 plus cost of 4, 9, C of 6, 10 plus cost of 4, 10. C of 6, 9 and C of 6, 10 is nothing but edge weight. What is cost of 4, 9? As here 4 says the last but one stage. Remember, always in the forward approach, the cost of last but one stage to the cost of last one but stage to the destination node will be equal to edge weight. So from cost of 4, 9, ninth node will be equal to edge weight of 9, 12. So similarly for edge weight of 10, 12 here. So that will give you minimum of 6 plus 4, 5 plus 2 equal to 7. Next we'll find cost of 3, 7, which is equal to minimum of C of 7 comma 9 plus cost of 4 comma 9 comma C of 7 comma 10 plus cost of 4 comma 10. How did I get the L value? You check 7 is connected to which are the nodes in the next stage. 7 here is connected to this 7 of third stage is connected to only 2 nodes in the next stage, that are 9 and 10. That becomes your L node. So 9 and 10. So and apply the value and you get minimum value 5. So that is how you can find cost of 3 comma 7. Similarly, you can find cost of 3 comma 8, and finally cost of 3 comma 8 will give you the minimum value 7. And remember, every time you always identify the minimum value and keep. What do you mean by minimum value? So here cost of 3 comma 6 gave you the minimum cost 7. But also note down which node gave you among 9, which L node among 9 and 10, which gave you the minimum value 7. So in case of cost of 3 comma 6, among 9 and 10, 10 gave you the minimum value. So L is 10. So among in cost of 3 comma 6, among 9 and 5, again 10 gave you the minimum value. So node number 10. So L represents the node. Here also 10. Step 2 is find cost of k minus 3 comma j, which is nothing but cost of 2 comma j. What are the j vertices at the second stage? That are 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we'll find initially cost of 2 comma 2, and which is equal to minimum of C of 2 comma 6, because L node are the nodes that are in the next stage, which are connected to 2. 2 is connected to 6, 7 and 8. So first minimum of C of 2 comma 6 plus cost of 3 comma 6 comma minimum of 2 comma C of 2 comma 7 plus cost of 3 comma 7, C of 2 comma 8 plus cost of 3 comma 8. So among this minimum value is 7, and which L node gave you the minimum value? That is 7. This node gave you the minimum value 7. Similarly, you find cost of 2 comma 3. So find out which are the L nodes we have to consider. So L nodes are the nodes that are connected to 3 from the next stage. 3 is connected to now 6 and 7. So this 3 node is connected to 6 and 7. So minimum of C of 3 comma 6 plus cost of 3 comma 6 comma C of 3 comma 7 plus cost of 3 comma 7. So you know that cost of 3 comma 6 and cost of 3 comma 7 already are found out from the previous stage. So you get minimum value 9, and the node that is the L node that is giving your minimum 9 value is 6. Similarly, you find cost of 2 comma 4, that is 18, and here your 4 is connected to only one L node in the next stage. So L minimum is 8. So cost of 2 comma 5, 5 is connected to 2 nodes in the next stage. So L node can be, this time will be 7 and 8. So apply the formula and you get minimum cost value 15. So which node among 7 and 8 gave you the minimum value? That is 8, which is 15. Cost is 15. So that is noted down for the next stage. Now we'll find cost of k minus 4 comma j. What is k minus 4? K minus 4 is 1. That means you have reached the first stage. So after finding cost of 1 comma j, you can stop it. So cost of 1 comma j, where j equal to 1, because at stage 1 you have only one vertex. So 1 is connected to which are the vertices of second stage? 2, 3, 4, 5. So L will be once 2, next 3, next 4, next 5. So first with 2, what's the formula we can write? C of 1 comma 2, C of 1 comma 2 plus cost of 2 comma 2. C of 1 comma 3 plus cost of 2 comma 3 comma C of 1 comma 4 plus cost of second stage fourth node. C of 1 comma 5 plus cost of second stage fifth node. So among this, which gives you minimum value? 2 nodes gives you minimum value, that is 2 and 3. 2 and 3 both are giving 6th value, but we will consider in the order. So the minimum cost, the node that gives you minimum cost is 2, but minimum cost from S to T is 16. Now let's find the path. To find a path, we have a formula. Let's see how it is. And remember here, the node that is giving you 16, minimum value 16 is 2. 3 also gives, as I told, let's go in the order. So I am considering any one you can choose. I am considering here 2. Let's find the minimum cost path. So using d of I comma j equal to L. What is I? I is the stage, j represents the vertices at the stage, particular stage, and L represents the node that minimizes cost of I comma j, j comma L plus cost of I plus 1 comma L. So we have already noted down the L node at the respective whenever we are finding the cost. So and finally this is going to define the path S comma V2 comma V3 comma Vk minus 1 S and comma T is the same.